Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the Family Link Manager account on your laptop. This is required because removal can only be initiated by the manager. Once signed in, open Accounts. Google.com and go straight to Data and Privacy because that section contains parental controls. Make sure pop-ups are allowed and your browser is up to date so the console displays correctly. If multiple managers exist, coordinate now. Otherwise, you may be prompted to confirm identity via password or second-factor authentication. Now go to Family Settings and select the supervised account you want to remove. This is the critical middle step because Google requires explicit confirmation. Click Stop Supervision or Remove Family Member, then follow the verification prompts. You may need to enter your password and complete two-step verification. Make sure to read the consequences. Supervised apps, location sharing, and screen limits will change. If removing on the web fails, try opening Family Link in a new private window and repeat the verification flow to avoid cached errors. Finish by confirming the removal prompt. Once done, you should see the child removed from the family group immediately. Make sure to sign out and sign back in on both accounts so permissions update and sync devices reset parental controls. If the child still appears, clear browser cache, disable interfering extensions, or repeat the process from the original managing device. If you get an error about ownership or family manager limits, check for other managers or wait a short time for Google servers to propagate the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.